Okay, so we want to remove this SATA connector from these wires. If you do want to sleeve the wires, or in this case what I want to do is remove this floppy connector, which is also connected to the SATA connector. So to remove this SATA connector, if you just see there, move the wire in and out, you can just see the little bit of metal that's pulling on that plastic. We just need to push that little bit of metal down so they'll release the wire. So what to do, I'm going to use the tool to do it. Just hold that there. Right, this is a little bit tricky. Push that down on there. Might take a couple of times to get it done. And there you go, that'll release that out. So if we move the next one along, the black one, again just pulling that, you just see that little bit of metal that needs to come through. And just hold the tool on. Push that down, and again it should slide out, and the bit that was holding it in, just push that up. Okay, so when you want to put them back in, you have to make sure that this little bit there, which is the bit that was holding it in, to make sure that that bit's flipped back up again. So when we put that back in to the connector, should hear the click. There we go, and that's in, that's secure again.